Imagine creating a full app with design, code, and a backend, just by typing your idea. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's already happening. AI isn't just writing emails anymore. It's building entire companies. And as we head towards 2026, this one new AI platform is leading that revolution. The biggest problem for any business today is speed. Companies spend months, even years, and thousands, if not millions of dollars building apps. It's a slow, expensive process. But now, AI has completely changed the game. With just one simple prompt, your idea can become a real working product in minutes. You don't need to be a developer anymore, you just need to have an idea. Think about that for a second. The barrier to entry has been obliterated. So, how does this actually work? A new AI platform called Altan acts like your personal AI developer team. You give it a command like, I want to create a food delivery app for local restaurants. Altan instantly gets to work, generating the UI design, writing the back-end code, and even handling the deployment, all automatically. It's like ChatGPT, but instead of generating text, it generates a complete, functioning piece of software. It's not just a prototype, it's the real deal. This is the power of turning language into logic, an idea into an application. Now, you might be thinking, if AI can build apps, what happens to human developers? This is the most important part. Humans won't disappear, their roles will evolve. Instead of writing every line of code, they will lead and direct the AI. This creates a brand new, high-value skill for 2026, prompt engineering combined with idea execution. Learning how to effectively command these AI systems is what will separate the winners from those left behind. Your ability to clearly articulate a vision will be your greatest asset. And hey, if you want to learn how to write professional-level prompts that get these kinds of real-world results, comment the word prompts below. My very next video will break down the exact prompts that the pros are using to build with AI. If this has blown your mind even a little bit, do me a huge favor and hit that like button, comment your thoughts, and subscribe so you don't miss the next wave of the AI revolution. Let's talk about real-world impact. Altan is already helping startups launch in days instead of months, slashing their development costs and accelerating their go-to-market strategy. Students, freelancers, and content creators are using it to build custom tools for their communities without writing a single line of code. By 2026, your creativity and your ability to identify a problem will matter far more than your ability to code the solution. The power is shifting back to the visionaries. So, the next time you have a great idea for a business or an app, don't think about hiring a huge team. Think about using an AI like Altan. Remember, in this new era, those who adapt are the ones who win. Don't work hard, work smart with AI Hustle Hub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.